Hello, my dear students, grade 5. Welcome back to school. I wish you a happy year. Today we will study the first lesson in Unit 1, which is light energy. Energy, it is the ability to do work. Energy isn't only found in the human body, but there are many things around us that have energy, like radio does the work in form of sound, like heater does the work in form of heat, like electric lamp does the work in form of light. Light energy, it is the only form of energy that can be seen. You can see sound? No. I listen it. You can see heat? No, I feel it. You can see light? Yeah. Complete the following. All forms of energy can't be seen except light energy. The light energy that can be seen is called visible spectrum. Visible spectrum, it is the light energy that can be seen. The sources of light، يعني ايه الحاجات اللي ممكن نحصل منها على اللايت؟ Divided into natural sources, artificial sources. Natural sources such as stars, the sun, artificial sources that made by man such as candles, electric lamp, kerosene lamp. Give reason. The moon isn't considered as a source of light because it is a dark body that reflects the sunlight. ما اقدرش اقول على المون ان هو source of light لان هو في الحقيقة بيكون dark body، بس احنا بنشوفه shiny علشان هو بيعمل reflected للsunlight. The properties of light. Number 1. Light travels in straight lines. We do an experiment to prove that by the following steps. Bring 3 cardboards A, B, and C. Make a hole in each one. The holes must be in the same line. Put a candle on one side of cardboard. When you look at the flame of candle through the holes, you will be able to see the flame of candle because the light travels in a straight line. When you move one of cardboard up, the flame of candle will not be visible because the light travels in straight lines, not curved lines. As a result of traveling of light in straight lines, some phenomena happen, such as formation of image through narrow holes. الidea of camera، يعني فكرة عمل الكاميرا كانت معتمدة إن اللايت travel in a straight line. Number 2. Formation of shadow. هنعرف كل واحدة فيهم بالتفصيل حالا. دلوقتي بقى هنتكلم عن idea of camera اللي هي formation of image through narrow holes. تمام؟ يلا بينا. Bring a carton box. Cut one side of carton box and put a thin transparent paper. Make a hole in the opposite side. Darken the room and put the candle in front of hole. We observe that the image that is formed through narrow holes are inverted and minimized. يعني لاحظنا إن الصورة اتكونت مقلوبة ومصغرة، وهي دي كانت الايديا اوف كاميرا. فكرة عمل الكاميرا انها كانت بتعتمد ان اللايت travels in straight line، وكانت الصورة اللي بتتكون خلال النارو هولز دي كانت بتكون inverted and minimized. Number 2, formation of shadow. Let's see the video.
Take a torch and a ball. Hang the ball with thread and light the torch in front of the ball. Observe on the wall. You will observe that a dark patch of ball formed on the opposite side of the light. This dark patch is called shadow. Now move the ball closer to the source of light and observe. You will observe
يبقى الشادو بيكون dark area. الشادو is dark area that formed when a light falling on opaque object. Shadow is dark area that formed when a light falling on opaque object.
that the same ball forms a bigger shadow. Now move the ball further away from source of light and observe. You will observe that the same ball forms a smaller shadow. Thus, we conclude that 1. A shadow is made when an object blocks light. 2. Opaque objects make dark shadows. Translucent objects make faint shadows. 3. If an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. 4. If an object is moved further away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. Transparent objects do not form shadow.
يبقى الشادو the darkened area which is formed when a light falling on opaque object. Notes: the nearer object to the light source has the bigger shadow, but the farther object to the light source has the smaller shadow. يعني كل ما بنقرب الأوبجكت للسورس of light الشادو بيظهر bigger، لكن كل ما ببعد الأوبجكت عن السورس of light الشادو بيحصل له ايه؟ بيكون ايه؟ small. Test yourself. Complete the following sentences. Number 1 is a light energy that can be seen. Visible spectrum. 2 is a darkened area which is formed when a light falls on an opaque object. Shadow. Light travels in straight lines. The image formed through narrow holes is inverted and minimized. Thanks for listening.